Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
Doctors from Hindurao Hospital have been protesting and demanding their salary for last 19 days, and that is more than half a month. They've been repeatedly asking government officials to make sure that the payment is regularized. But even after repeated meetings with government officials, all they've been getting in response is that their salaries for 1 month or 2 months will be paid within 15 days or 20 days, and that is a bait that they're not willing to take. Yesterday, starting 4 pm, they started a hunger strike, and today we're here to talk to them again about what their demands are, even though they've repeated it multiple number of times.
Our demands are simple: कि give us the salary we are owed, and make it a regular thing, a permanent solution. That's what we are looking for.
And abhi tak, how many people have you spoken to regarding this?
We have spoken to our mayor thrice now, and we have written letters to Home Minister uh, and Health Minister of the Union Government, to the Chief Minister of Delhi. We are yet to receive replies from them.
So you were telling me कि आपने ये पता चला है कि 15 दिन में वो लोग बोल रहे हैं कि सैलरी देंगे, तो why you not taking that offer?
The thing is, we are owed much more than that, and the problem is, those who have families, they have kids or parents with medical conditions, bills to pay off. 1 month salary won't gonna cut it, and it will get problematic very soon, because uske baad mein there is no concrete promise कि it will be regularized. They are saying by December end it will be. There is a possibility, and it's all just verbal assurance. So I can't ask people to trust that, nor will I trust that.
Is there any particular reason for your distrust in the government?
First, it has been a chronic problem here. It's not like because of Corona it has happened. It has been a systemic issue with NDMC. So if they haven't been able to correct it in so many years, in decades, how can I trust them to correct it? Everything, that too in the pandemic era. I think a more permanent solution is needed, and it might be out of hands of NDMC or Delhi government. They might have, and the thing is, the solution might lie. These are desperate times. They shouldn't get territorial here. They should pool up their resources and money and provide relief to the people who have served. See, मुझे लगता है कि मेरी जो आइडेंटिटी थी, जो मुझे दी गई कि मैं कोविड वॉरियर हूँ, है ना, वो जब लोगों की समाज की ज़िंदगी नॉर्मलसी पे आई तो उसको बहुत कन्वीनियंटली उन्होंने बदल दिया. अब मैं कोविड वॉरियर नहीं हूँ, अब मैं एनडीएमसी का रेजिडेंट हूँ. तो ऐसे तो नहीं चलेगा. आई कॉन्ट स्टैंड अप फॉर पीपल हु आर नॉट गोना स्टैंड अप फॉर मी, हु डोंट हैव माई बैक. तो हमारी बैक लेनी होगी सोसाइटी एट लार्ज को.
My name is Dr. Mahendran. I am from Rajan Babu TB Hospital. So one thing more I would like to include is like the people who used to work with NDMC, their pension is being held back from May. So that is something that has to be like the entire country has to know. Like they have done their part of their job and they are done, and they are living on their pension. So they not receiving the pension. You can understand the financial status of NDMC is not stable. And another question is, when will they get it on a regular basis? The pension, you are not receiving your pension on a regular basis is a dangerous trend. So I think the whole country has to know that.
So why are you protesting now? Or why
Uh,
you on a hunger strike?
because see, we are not getting what our two demand is, to pay us our remaining dues and regularize our salaries. Nothing more than that.
So do you have you particularly faced any problems due to non-payment of salaries?
Yeah, see, we are from out of Delhi. I'm from Gujarat, so we are living here on rent. So our owner will not say that you are not getting your salaries, so don't pay us. You will pay after 4 months, 5 months. They need their money on the day which they want. We are facing so many problems. No bank is giving any loan, or we have to pay our EMIs. This type of irregular, if they pay this type of irregular salaries, we will not get any type of loans. because any bank can say you are not getting salaries regularly. Why we will give you any loan?